In the year 1817, a German scientist named Dobereiner suggested that properties of elements are related to their atomic masses. Before Dobereiner, the scientific community was grappling with a growing number of newly discovered elements, each with unique properties. There was an urgent need to find a systematic way to organize them, to reveal underlying patterns and simplify their study. Scientists dreamed of a framework that could predict properties and bring order to the elemental chaos. He made groups of 3 elements, having similar chemical properties, and called them triads. He arranged the 3 elements in a triad in increasing order of atomic mass, and showed that the atomic mass of the middle element was approximately equal to the mean of the atomic masses of the other 2 elements. Dobereiner's true insight wasn't just about atomic masses, it was about recognizing that elements within a triad shared remarkable chemical similarities. For instance, the alkali metals lithium, sodium, and potassium all react vigorously with water, form strong bases, and have a +1 valency. Similarly, calcium, strontium, and barium, the alkaline earth metals, are reactive, form +2 ions, and their oxides are basic. Let's look at the first example, lithium, sodium, and potassium. Lithium with atomic mass 6.9, potassium with 39.1. The mean of these is approximately 23, which is close to sodium's actual atomic mass of 23.0. Next, calcium, strontium, and barium. Calcium at 40.1, barium at 137.3. Their mean is 88.7, which aligns with strontium's actual atomic mass of 87.6. Finally, chlorine, bromine, and argon. Chlorine at 35.5, argon at 126.9. Their mean is 81.2, close to bromine's actual atomic mass of 79.9. Dobereiner's triads had limitations. His work was a crucial early step in the development of the periodic table. It was one of the first attempts to link an element's properties to its atomic mass in a quantitative way. His observations laid foundational ideas that inspired later scientists, like Newton's with his law of octaves and ultimately Mendeleev, to search for more comprehensive patterns in the elemental world. However, not all elements could be classified into Dobereiner's triads, limiting its universality. In summary, Johanna Dobereiner's triads, proposed in 1817, were a pioneering attempt to classify elements. He grouped 3 elements with similar chemical properties, arranged by increasing atomic mass, where the middle element's mass was approximately the average of the outer 2. This innovative concept, despite its limitations in classifying all known elements, was a significant milestone, highlighting the periodic nature of elements and setting the stage for the modern periodic table we know today.